When you sneeze, you expel air in droplets from your nose and mouth. These droplets can carry germs and travel through the air. Did you know that a sneeze can travel as fast as 100 miles per hour? That's faster than most cars drive on the highway. Imagine you're playing with a ball outside. If you throw the ball as hard as you can, it goes pretty far, right? Well, when you sneeze, the air and droplets shoot out of your nose and mouth just like you're throwing a ball. But instead of going just a few feet, they can travel up to 100 miles per hour and go several feet away from your body. That's why it's important to cover your nose and mouth with a tissue or your elbow when you sneeze. It helps to keep the germs from spreading to other people and surfaces.